So that is being realized through G-Fest. So again, seeking to blend music and creativity to inspire courage and unleash self-expression, we are all set for G-Fest Luzon. This is happening in SMX on September 22, 2024. Sana meron dito mga nakakuha ng tickets. Wherein customers can look forward to an exciting lineup of engaging go lang ng go workshops and captivating musical performances. Featuring Beanie, Denise Julia, Jason Dacal, and Sunkist Lola in the concert. G-Fest will also host a How to Be a Pop Star workshop by Denise Julia and Jason Dacal, and a Beanie dance class by none other than their actual choreographers, Mickey Pers and their team. The exciting about this is that 3 courageous customers, those who participate in the dance classes, will be handpicked and they will be able to perform with Beanie on the stage in G-Fest. Nakaka-excite yun. So truly a co-creation in scale as we are working with actual student communities, over 80 school organizations from UP, NEU, TUP, Asia Pacific College, and communities in Terra, Bloom's PH, Gamers and Programmers Guilds, and more across the G-Fest executions. It's time to step up and step out for the next generation in G-Fest, packaging youth empowerment to break boundaries and pursue their dreams with confidence. And then last but definitely not the least, baka natatangyan na kayo sa lahat ng mangyayari sa G-Day. And I will need your help with this later. What started out as a simple dream of rallying people as a community behind a common yet extraordinary cause, giving life to our Filipino value of bayanihan, is gigantic goals. Started last September 1, Globe, as a telco giant, has in a way evolved its G-Day celebration into a nationwide movement of kindness. And if together, we are able to reach the goal of 100,000 customers, 917 families supported by Hapag Movement will be treated to a family day where they will get a grocery pack with food essentials and be surprised with a family bonding experience in the form of a movie day. Admittedly, a first experience for some of these families, block screenings will take place at select Alamos, 6 in total around the Philippines. So as of today, we are at 61%. 61%. And together, let's try to push it further. So if you may, those with enough points, 1 point lang naman, you can open your Global app, look for the gigantic Go button, and redeem with 1 point. Please also share this with your family and friends, because every point counts when it comes to extending support to our fellow Filipinos. And as we go, maybe may nabubukas na dyan and contribute to GGG, let me get ahead and say thank you for joining the cause in our own small way, becoming agents of change and emphasizing how individual contributions can lead to real and significant collective impact. GGG, or Gigantic Goals, is realizing our dream of proving that technology can be a force for social good. G-Day has always been about the customer, celebrating with them in their milestones, going to where they are, and giving back to the communities they are part of in different shapes and forms. It's all about creating meaningful connections and delightful experiences, whether in the All-New Rewards program or in the G-Day campaign. And before I leave, once again, I am Peter, and we're really glad to see you all here face to face. Let's continue to talk through over drinks, all the things that we have in store, and stay tuned for the rest of the surprises and prizes tonight. So on behalf of Globe, of the Globe family, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to you, our partners, communities, and colleagues for serving the customer with us. Serving with you is what empowers Globe to continue the mission and dedication in making our customers feel recognized and valued. Wrapping this up with a special, albeit short message from our favorite Beanie Girls. Happy? Thank you.
Happy G-Day!